Hey guys. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is to review this lesson that we did in our notebook. Okay, so we did this lesson a little bit before we left for spring break. Notice that at the top section is talking about the different ways to classify triangles based off of their sides. So we have equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. Okay. Also, we can classify triangles based off of their angles. So that would be a right, an acute, or an obtuse angle. Okay, and remember that when we say that we're classifying triangles, we are doing one from up here and one from here. Okay, so every triangle actually has two names. Okay, so we look at the side lengths and decide which one fits. And then we look at the angles and decide which one fits. Okay, so then down here, we were classifying by their sides and their angles. So for this triangle, the angle, there's a right angle there, so it's a right triangle. And then notice none of the sides are equal, so it's scalene. So we would call this a right scalene triangle. Okay. For this one, I can see that all of the sides are the same. Okay, if all of the sides are the same, that's an equilateral triangle. And then all of the angles are also the same, and so that is a acute equilateral triangle. And here on this one, I see that two sides are the same length. Two sides is an isosceles, okay? And I see that this has to be an obtuse angle. So this is an obtuse isosceles angle. So in this lesson, you need to know all of these definitions, and you need to know how to look at a triangle and make sure you have both of these names.